Yo guys, how's it going? Moto here. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install a works connection rear caliper guard on my 2018 YZ125. Should be the same for the most part on most 125s. Now in the package, you will get two works connection stickers. You'll get the caliper guard itself and then some instructions. And the only tool you will need is an 8mm socket. So let's get right into this. Also, if you want, you can throw in some Loctite or a little bit of anti-seize or just grease to put on the bolts, depending if you want to Loctite them or if you just want to put on a little bit of anti-seize. Alright guys, so first we're going to take off our OEM guard here. Just simply 2 screws. Alright guys, now we will mount up our new caliper guard. It only goes on one way. And yeah, I recommend putting some anti-seize or some grease on the bolts. I'm using thread locker because I don't want these to come loose. And Works Connection does provide a new rear bolt. Install the front bolt, which is the shorter one with a little bit of Loctite on it as well. Kind of line everything up here. Now we will tighten them down. These don't need to be too tight, and we do have some thread locker on there. And boom, that's it. Look how solid that guard is compared to the OEM cheap plastic one. Oh yeah guys, one nice solid piece, not gonna move, not gonna flex, just boom. Kind of lines up with the swing arm here too, which is awesome. Looks sweet. And that's it guys, look how solid this guard is guys. Definitely a whole lot more solid than the OEM one. Definitely shouldn't be anything damaging our caliper anytime soon. And yeah, it looks sweet and it's going to protect the bike even better. Hope you guys have enjoyed the short little video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.